On this problem, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we are given the long leg is 30 units, and then we are asked to find the hypotenuse. Here, that's n. We're also asked to have our answer in simple radical form. So remember, with 30, 60, 90 triangles, it's all about the short leg. So on this problem, we're given the long leg, right? Opposite the 60 is the long leg. Here is our short leg. Here is our hypotenuse. We say it's all about the short leg, so if I'm not given the short leg, then I need to find it. So if I know the long leg and I'm finding the short leg, my shortcut to find that is to divide by the square root of 3. All right, so when I take 30 and divide by square root of 3, when we're talking about answers in simple radical form, remember that means I need to rationalize the denominator, which means get rid of this radical on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by square root of 3. On top, that means that is 30 square root 3. On bottom, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just equal to 3. Next thing we do then is divide the fraction. That's the 30 and the 3 here. Those can divide. So our short leg, 30 divided by 3 is 10 square root 3. That would be the short leg. To then find the hypotenuse, which is n, what we're looking for, anytime I'm going from short leg to hypotenuse, I multiply by 2. That means the 10 here is what gets multiplied by 2. So that means our hypotenuse is going to be 20 square root 3.